Hi everyone, welcome to It's Fun to Cook. It's me Firdaus and I'm back with another tasty, healthy and easy recipe. This time it's soya bean recipe. It's called soya bean kebabs or chunks, whatever you'd like to call it. Now you already know that soya bean has high um, protein content, high fiber content and whatnot. So it's more of an healthier option whenever you want to have something junk or something oily. Whenever I feel like having something oily, pakode type कुछ खाने का जब मन करता है while being at home, so I make this. And this also requires very to take a screenshot of all the ingredients mentioned on the screen and have fun watching the video.